Welcome back to Zendesk Unlocked. Today we're going to be looking at a feature that could save your team heaps of time: placeholders. Let's dive in. Placeholders are dynamic fields that you can drop into macros, triggers, automations, and email templates. They automatically put in live data like the customer's name, the agent's name, the ticket priority, or a ticket category you've added through a custom field. For example, instead of just writing "hi there" or something else which your agents could easily miss, you could put in a placeholder like this, and it would automatically update the requester's first name every time it was used in a macro, trigger, or automation. It's a great way to personalize your messages without your agents having to do extra work. And it helps replies feel more human, even when they're semi-automated or fully automated. You can use placeholders to insert things like ticket number, ticket subject, or even the agent's name, ideal in use in things like macros and automated email responses. A little tip to stop you getting caught out: not all placeholders work in all areas of Zendesk, so always test your setup before going live. When crafting a macro or a trigger, you can view available placeholders by typing in 2 curly open brackets and seeing the list that drops down. I'll also drop a link to a full list of Zendesk placeholders in the comments below, so do check that out. So, want to sound personal without writing every email from scratch? Try placeholders today and let us know how you get on in the comments section below.